Just we showed you some teasers of the Huawei P20 Pro, notch and all. Today, unparalleled tipster Evan Blass tweeted images of both the back and front of the Huawei P20, P20 Pro, and P20 Lite in various color schemes. You can tell the difference between the P20 and P20 Pro by the number of camera sensors found on back. That is 2 in the case of the former, and 3 on the latter. The P20 Lite can be distinguished by the slightly thicker side bezels, and the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Ahead of Huawei's grand unveiling event that takes place on March 27, Evan Blass, better known as @FLeaks, has decided to give the company's entire P20 family the leaked press render treatment. The images show iPhone X-inspired screen notches on all 3 models. The P20 and P20 Lite get dual rear cameras, while the P20 Pro will have the much-rumored, and teased, triple shooter setup on its back. All of the phone's rear cameras are aligned vertically on the left, a move that once again seems inspired by Apple's latest top-of-the-line smartphone. Oddly though, a Huawei teaser video that surfaced earlier today showed a horizontal outline at the top left of a handset's back, which led us to believe that the P20 Pro's triple rear cameras will use that alignment. Since Evan Blass usually outputs very reliable leaks like these, color us confused on this matter. Then again, most of the recent leaks regarding the P20 family, including an official-looking promo from yesterday, showed vertical camera arrangements, so that teaser is pretty much the only outlier. Still, it comes from Huawei itself, so you should probably take the images outed this time around with a healthy dose of skepticism. That is, unless the Chinese company was just trolling. The Huawei P20 Pro is the muscle phone of the trio, expected to offer a 6-inch AMOLED display and powered by the Kirin 970 chipset. That is Huawei's current top-of-the-line in-house SoC, which includes a neural processing unit built in for AI capabilities. The P20 is expected to feature a 5.7-inch AMOLED display, also carrying the Kirin 970 chipset under the hood. The P20 Lite could offer a 5.6-inch AMOLED screen, powered by the Kirin 659 SoC. European pricing leaked out the other day, and while we are loath to convert the prices into US dollars, actual US pricing is always lower than the currency conversion figure. Let's do it anyway just as a comparison. This way, you can see what the average European consumer will have to shell out for the phones. As you might expect, the P20 Pro is the most expensive of the trio at €899. The P20 will be priced at €679, and the mid-range P20 Lite will run you €369.